His name is Mufasa. We'll do it during lunch.
Not really.
He looks like Alex off of Madagascar too, huh?
No, what's his name in Madagascar too?
Oh, the mean guy?
No.
See, this is why I don't like intruders coming into my environment.
But we're not intruders. We're not doing anything wrong. Just tell us how much you love us.
She's gonna be thinking a long time.
Get the picture.
Okay, so
Hi, my name is Grizzly.
And I'm Koala.
So good.
Oh, so gay. You see her grizzly hands?
Her hands are cold.
Show 'em
they
the
turn purple,
No, they don't.
like her shoes. Okay, well, let's sign off, guys.
Toodles. Have a nice day.
Goodbye.